There are motorhomes built for travel. And then, there are machines built to redefine luxury itself. Welcome back to Drive Rain, the channel where we explore the most extreme, luxurious, and future-defining vehicles on the planet. And today, we are stepping into something that feels more like a concept from the future than a vehicle of today. This is the 2027 Cadillac OBSIDIAN Motorhome, a rolling symbol of American luxury power and innovation, designed for those who demand presence, prestige, and total comfort wherever the road takes them. This is not just a motorhome. This is a mobile luxury estate engineered to turn highways into red carpets and destinations into personal territory. Over the next minutes, we are going to break down every aspect of this incredible machine, from its bold, futuristic exterior and ultra-premium interior to its performance technology, safety pricing, expectations, ownership realities. And finally, whether the Cadillac OBSIDIAN truly makes sense for you. So buckle up, because this is not a normal RV review. This is Cadillac's vision of luxury, without limits, starting with the exterior design. The 2027 Cadillac OBSIDIAN Motorhome looks less like an RV and more like a futuristic luxury monument. On wheels, the design is bold, sharp, and unmistakably Cadillac, featuring a wide, commanding stance, sculpted body lines, dark obsidian-inspired finishes, and an aggressive presence that immediately separates it from every traditional motorhome on the road. The front fascia carries Cadillac's iconic vertical lighting signature, paired with a massive grille, futuristic LED elements, and a sleek armored look that feels both elegant and intimidating. Large aerodynamic surfaces, flush panels hidden. Lighting accents and massive wheels give the OBSIDIAN a clean yet dominant appearance. This motorhome is built to glide across American highways while still projecting authority and exclusivity. Every exterior detail feels intentional, from integrated cameras and sensors to panoramic glass and roof-mounted systems. This is luxury designed to be seen step inside, and the OBSIDIAN transforms into a world of pure refinement. The interior feels closer to a private penthouse or ultra-luxury lounge than any motorhome. The main living area features expansive seating wrapped in premium leather ambient lighting that adapts to mood and time of day, and a minimalist design philosophy that emphasizes space, calm, and sophistication. Large, panoramic windows flood the interior with natural light, while advanced sound insulation creates a quiet, serene environment. Even at highway speeds, the kitchen is fully residential and seamlessly integrated, featuring high-end appliances, hidden storage, sleek surfaces, and a design that prioritizes elegance as much as function. The sleeping area offers a full-size luxury bed with a premium mattress, smart lighting, climate control, and acoustic isolation, delivering hotel-level comfort anywhere in America. The bathroom rivals high-end luxury suites with a spacious shower, premium fixtures, smart water systems, and refined finishes that reflect Cadillac's attention to detail. Every surface material and interface feels premium, intentional, and effortless. Now let's talk about performance, because beneath the luxury, the OBSIDIAN is built to move with confidence. While Cadillac has not revealed full specifications, the OBSIDIAN is expected to feature a powerful advanced drivetrain focused on smooth torque delivery, long-distance comfort, and effortless cruising across vast American landscapes. Whether powered by an advanced hybrid system or a high-output, next-generation powertrain, the focus is clear: silent strength, seamless acceleration, and commanding road presence. Advanced suspension systems, adaptive ride control, and intelligent driving systems ensure a smooth, composed ride regardless of road conditions. This is a motorhome designed to make distance disappear. Technology is at the core of the 2027 Cadillac OBSIDIAN. The cockpit features massive curved digital displays, intuitive controls, advanced navigation, augmented driving assistance, and full vehicle diagnostics integrated into a clean, futuristic interface inside the living space. Smart home level systems manage lighting, climate, entertainment, power, and security through touch panels, voice control, and mobile integration. Multiple cameras, sensors, and driver assistance technologies provide a 360-degree awareness around the vehicle, making a machine of this size feel surprisingly manageable. Safety is engineered to luxury standards: reinforced structures, advanced braking systems, adaptive stability, control, collision, avoidance, driver assistance, redundancy systems, and emergency power backups all work together to protect occupants while maintaining a smooth, stress-free driving experience. Now let's talk about price, because exclusivity comes at a cost. While official pricing has not been announced, industry expectations place the 2027 Cadillac OBSIDIAN Motorhome deep into the ultra-luxury segment, potentially reaching multi-million-dollar territory depending on customization, technology packages, and bespoke interior options. This reflects a fully custom build process, cutting-edge technology, and a level of luxury that goes far beyond traditional RVs. Ownership will involve premium maintenance, specialized service insurance, and storage. However, for buyers accustomed to luxury estates, private aircraft, or high-end yachts, the Obsidian makes sense as a mobile extension of their lifestyle. Purchasing is expected to involve a personalized ordering experience with extensive customization, long build times, and concierge-level delivery. When we look at the advantages of the 2027 Cadillac OBSIDIAN Motorhome, the biggest strength is its ability to blend futuristic design, American luxury, and effortless long-distance travel into one iconic vehicle. This motorhome is built for executive celebrities, visionaries, and individuals who want to experience freedom without giving up prestige. At this level, travel is no longer about reaching a destination. It is about how you arrive to wrap it all up. The 2027 Cadillac OBSIDIAN Motorhome is not for everyone, and it is not trying to be. This is a statement machine, a rolling symbol of modern luxury, and one of the most ambitious motorhome visions ever imagined. If you want a vehicle that turns every journey into an event and every stop into a presence, the Obsidian stands alone. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want to see more futuristic luxury machines like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Drive Rain, and comment below whether you would take the Cadillac OBSIDIAN on the ultimate American road journey. We'll see you in the next one.